Today I'm going to show you how you can fix invisible WhatsApp notifications in the BLACKVIEW tab 12. So in the first step, if you don't see your WhatsApp list, always check your DND mode. So open the top menu, expand the icons and check that you have this feature deactivated. Then it is remote. Sorry about that. Now hold the finger on the WhatsApp and go to the app info. Of course, you're gonna start from notifications, check that you have this switcher activated and open the additional settings. Now check that you have activated high priority notifications here and here. In the next step, let's go to the mobile data and Wi-Fi and turn on the unrestricted data usage. If you still don't have your alerts, let's go to the storage and cache, but remember to make the backup of your messages. Now tap on the clear storage and choose OK. In the next step, let's try to reset your network settings, so go to the system, choose the reset options and tap on the Wi-Fi, mobile and Bluetooth, tap on the reset settings button, copy your pattern and tap on this button again. And the last step, try to update your system, so go to the system updates and choose check for update. If you have any, just install it and that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or a comment and goodbye.